vocabulary time. So yesterday we learned our 5 new vocabulary words and you wrote down the words and their definitions in your notebook. Today we're going to do their sentences, synonyms, and antonyms. So let's go ahead and review our words first. Our words this week are gradually, merchant, essential, fortunate, and immense. All right, so yesterday we learned that gradually was an adverb with that ly ending that meant moving or changing very slowly. Our sentence today is, we will gradually learn our multiplication facts during the school year. We will gradually learn our multiplication facts during the school year. And that's true. We are slowly learning those facts and memorizing them. It wasn't overnight that we learned them. So again, we will gradually learn our multiplication facts during the school year. For our synonyms, we have the words slowly and slightly. And remember, synonyms are words that mean the same. So slowly and slightly mean the same thing as gradually. Our antonyms are fast and quickly. Antonyms, remember, are the opposite. So the opposite of going slow would be fast or quickly. All right, so let's just review. Gradually is an adverb that means moving or changing very slowly. Our sentence, we will gradually learn our multiplication facts during the school year. Our synonyms are slowly and slightly. Antonyms are fast and quickly. The next word we learned was merchant, and this went right along with our economics unit. Merchant is someone who sells goods to earn money. Our sentence is, she will give the store merchant the money and he will place her groceries in a bag. So the merchant is the store or the person at the store who's selling the groceries. Again, the sentence is, she will give the store merchant the money and he will place her groceries in a bag. So a merchant is someone who sells goods or services. Synonyms would be a salesperson or a clerk. We might call a merchant a salesperson or a clerk. And an antonym or an opposite would then be a customer or a buyer. If you're not selling something, then you would be buying something. So again, our word is merchant. It is someone who sells goods to earn money. Our sentence, she will give the store merchant the money and he will place her groceries in a bag. Our synonyms are salesperson and clerk, and our antonyms are customer and buyer. Our next word was essential, which also went right along with our economics of our needs and our wants. And essential meant something that's very important. Our sentence is, it is essential that you put your name on the top of your paper. Right now, it's not as essential, but yes, it is essential or something important that you put your name on the top of your paper. Otherwise, we don't know who it belongs to. Our synonyms for essential are necessary, required, and important. So if something is essential, it is necessary, required, or important. Antonyms would be unnecessary or unimportant. And that prefix un means not. So unnecessary means not necessary. Unimportant means not important. So again, our word is essential. It is something that is very important. Our sentence is, it is essential that you put your name on the top of your paper. Our synonyms are necessary, required, important, and our antonyms are unnecessary and unimportant. Our next word was fortunate. Fortunate meant having good luck. Our sentence is, he was fortunate that his mom brought his lunch when he forgot it. That's so true. That he is lucky that his mom brought his lunch. Otherwise, he might have to buy a lunch he didn't want. So again, fortunate means having good luck. Our sentence, he was fortunate that his mom brought his lunch when he forgot it. Our synonyms are lucky, favorable, and blessed. Favorable means able to have a favor, which is like having luck. And you can see our antonyms are unlucky and unfavorable. So we put that un in front of those words. So our word is fortunate. It means having good luck. The sentence, he was fortunate that his mom brought his lunch when he forgot it. And our synonyms are lucky, favorable, and blessed. Our antonyms are unlucky and unfavorable. And our last word was immense. Immense meant very great in size or amount. Our sentence was, an immense crowd gathered to watch the parade. That would not be happening nowadays. But the sentence, an immense crowd gathered to watch the parade, or great in size. Remember, I gave you a sentence example yesterday of my children have an immense amount of stuffed animals. So immense is very great in size. Our synonyms are large or gigantic. That's a good word. And our antonyms are small or tiny. So our word is immense. It means very great in size or amount. Our sentence, an immense crowd gathered to watch the parade. The synonyms are large or gigantic, and the antonyms are small or tiny. All right, I will see you tomorrow for our Wow Word Wednesday.